Wine and touch, girl, wine and
Yo! Me tell him say Nitro Promotions presents Reggae at the Seaside. A night of reggae, bashment, soca, dancehall, lovers rock and R&B. Entertainment on the night by Slang Dagger from Nitro X, DJ Quickjaw from Nitro X, and DJ Iceberg from Thunder Sounds. Cuisine on the night by Caribbean Spice Limited. Sunday, 27 March 2016, 9 p.m. till 4 a.m. at the Elite Nightclub, West Street above Brannigan's. FY1 1ET. Admission £8 on the door or £5 by ticket. Food sold separately. Ticket outlets: Guys and Dolls, 99 Talbot Road, Blackpool. FY1 3QX. Telephone number 01253 465 366 or Caribbean Spice Limited, 15 to 17 Manchester Road, Preston, PR1 3YH. Telephone number 01772 881 316 or DJ Iceberg 07958 351 307 if you're in the Manchester area. So remember, it's Reggae at the Seaside, Nitro X Promotions, Sunday, 27 March, 9 p.m. till 4 a.m.